In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a channel in Slack. If you're new to Slack or if you're just getting started with channels, don't worry, I'll guide you through each step so you'll be a pro in no time. First, you'll need to open Slack. You can do this via the app or by going to their website in your browser. Once you're on the Slack homepage, you'll want to click on the Google option. This will redirect you to a page where you can choose the account you want to sign in with. Next, click on your account and you'll be prompted to continue. Tap on the Continue button to proceed. Now, once you're in Slack, head over to the left side panel where you'll see the Channels section. Right next to it, there's a set of 3 dots. Click on them. This is where you'll find the option to create a new channel. When you click on Create, a drop-down menu will appear with another option that says Create Channel. Select that to start building your new workspace. Here you'll see a field to type in the name of your channel. Think about what you want to call it, as this will help people know what the channel is about at a glance. Once you've typed in a name, click on the Next button. Now, an important decision. Do you want this channel to be public or private? If you choose public, anyone in your workspace will be able to join or see the channel. It's perfect for topics or projects that involve everyone. On the other hand, if you want the channel to have restricted access for certain discussions or teams, you'll want to click on Private. Only the people you invite will have access, making it ideal for sensitive topics or small group collaborations. After making your choice, go ahead and click on Create. Congratulations, you've just created a new channel in Slack. At this point, you have the option to invite people manually, but for the purpose of this guide, we'll be skipping that part. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to create a channel in Slack. By following these steps, you'll be able to set up channels efficiently, organizing your workspace and ensuring your team can communicate effectively. Thanks for watching and happy Slacking.